In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage a budget using Jotform tables. We'll explore how this online tool can streamline your budgeting needs while keeping everything organized and easily accessible. Let's dive in. Our journey begins by heading to jotform.com. Once you're there, the first step is to sign in using your credentials. If you don't already have a Jotform account, don't worry. You can quickly sign up by following the on-screen prompts. Signing in or creating an account ensures that all your data and work remain secure and accessible whenever you need it. After successfully logging in, navigate straight to My Forms. This is where all your creations and saved forms reside, providing a comprehensive view of everything you've worked on so far. It's a great habit to familiarize yourself with this section, as it will help in easily locating your projects in the future. Next, look towards the upper left side of your screen and you'll see the Create button. Clicking this button initiates the process of creating a new project. In our case, we are interested in creating a table, so let's select Table from the available options. Jotform's interface is designed to be intuitive, and this step will bring you into a workspace that's ready for building your budget effortlessly. Once inside, you'll see an option to use template. Jotform offers a variety of templates that can jumpstart your project by providing a framework that you can adapt to your needs. We'll be working with the monthly budget template. Selecting this will lay out all the essential elements of a monthly budget, giving you a structured starting point. With the template open, this is your stage to customize and tailor the document to suit your specific requirements. Here is where you can edit the content as needed to align with your financial planning. You can adjust columns, change text, or input specific data that pertains to your personal or business finances. Remember, the ability to modify this template means you can make it as detailed or as simple as you like, adapting all the segments to paint a clear picture of your financial landscape. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to managing a budget using Jotform tables. By following these steps, you'll create an efficient, customized budgeting tool to monitor your income and expenses. Remember that practice makes perfect, and the more you work with Jotform, the easier managing your budget will become. Thanks for watching, and happy budgeting.